Well, students, you must have gone through the previous video in which the introduction is given about the HTML, and you must have learned what the HTML is and for what purpose the HTML is used. So, as we know that HTML is used for creating the web pages, and through HTML we can use web pages with different tags, different attributes that we will discuss later. And HTML is a basic requirement for creating a web page. Today, there are many new technologies which have come, and in combination with those technologies, we can create web pages and we can make use of the HTML. But HTML is required for creating each and every web page. We may use different technologies, but we can't use those technologies without using the HTML. So in this video we will discuss about the features of the HTML, that what are the features of the HTML and why the HTML has become so popular that it is used for web development all over the world. So the first feature, as you can see on the screen, there are different features of the HTML are given. The first is platform independent, that HTML is a platform independent language, which means that HTML can be used across platforms. Platform means that HTML could be used across different operating systems such as Windows, Macintosh or Linux. You are using any operating system on your computer, on your laptop, it will run on all type of systems. The second feature is that HTML is not case sensitive, that you may write HTML code in uppercase or the lowercase. Then HTML does not preserve white spaces. HTML is used for creating and formatting the web pages. Formatting means you can enhance the look of the web pages by changing font styles, font colors, putting in images and all. We will discuss in detail. Then HTML is also very easy to use language, which we can learn very easily and we can use it for creating the web pages. So now we will one by one go through the different advantages and disadvantages of the HTML. The first advantage of the HTML is that it is platform independent. So what is the meaning of platform independent? Platform independent means that HTML could be used across the platforms on any operating system. You may have a laptop, you may have a desktop, and you may be using different type of operating systems on your laptops and desktops. For example, you may be using Windows because Windows is the most popular operating system, or you may be using a Mac OS. A Mac OS is an operating system of Apple and it is used across the Apple computers. Or you may be using Linux or any other operating system. HTML could be used on all type of platforms, on all type of operating systems. This feature of any language, any technology is also known as portability. So in other words, we can say that HTML is a language which is portable across all platforms. So we may use HTML. So this is one of the biggest reason that HTML has become so popular, and because the HTML has become so popular, internet has spread all over the world very quickly. Because any platform, any operating system, any computer, any desktop can use HTML and access the web pages using the HTML. So this is the first feature, that is the platform independence or portability of the HTML. Now we will go across the another feature of the HTML, which is that HTML is not case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? Case sensitive means that you may write HTML code in uppercase or you may write HTML code in lowercase. It doesn't matter. It doesn't make any difference. So either you are writing the HTML coding in capital letters or either you are writing HTML coding in small letters, it will not make any difference. You are free to do so. So as you can see, the example is given here. A tag of HTML is written in lowercase, and here the tag of HTML is written in the uppercase. So they are both same. It makes no difference. So all the tags, all the attributes that you are using while doing the while writing the code of the HTML, you may use either uppercase or lowercase, or the combination of uppercase and lowercase. It will not make any difference. Now we will go through the another advantage of HTML, that HTML is a language which is obviously used for creating web pages. So what type of things that we do by using HTML? Of course, we can create the hyperlinks. Hyperlinks means that they are a special type of links on which we click and we will move around the internet. You must have seen there are images, there are text which are used for moving around the internet. If we want to go from one web page to another web page, then there is a special type of text on which we click, that is called as the hypertext, and with that hypertext, the hyperlink is created, and we click on that hyperlink and we are placed on any other web page. So that hyperlink could be text or could be an image. So the advantage that the feature of HTML that we are discussing here is formatting a web page. So HTML is also used for formatting the web pages. The formatting, always you know that what the formatting means. Formatting means that we can change the look and appearance of the page so that it looks more presentable, it looks more beautiful. So how we can do that? We can do that by changing the font size, font color, font style, or font type of the text. We can provide borders to the images, we can insert the images, we can insert the ordered list or unordered list, we can insert the tables, we can insert the headings of different sizes. There are 6 types of headings which are available in HTML. That is heading number 1 to heading number 6 that we will discuss later. And we can also change the color of the hyperlinks, and there are so many other things that we can do to format a HTML web page by using HTML that we will discuss later as we will move further in HTML. So HTML can be used very effectively for formatting, for enhancing the appearance of the web page. Okay. So the other feature, or you can say it is somewhat not advantage, but we can say the disadvantage, that HTML does not preserve white spaces. So what is the meaning of preserving the white spaces? Preserving the white spaces means that, for example, here we have given an example, we have written hello world, and there are many spaces which are inserted between hello and the word. Let us say there are 10 spaces we have inserted between hello and the word. But when we will see the output of the HTML document, it will convert all those 10 spaces to a single space like this, that is hello world. So why it is so? Because HTML does not preserve the white spaces, and as many spaces you will insert between the two words, it will convert all those spaces into a single space. Now the question arises that what should we do if we want to insert multiple spaces between the two words? For that, a special character is used that we will discuss later when we will discuss many other special characters which are inserted in HTML. So for now, you must remember that HTML does not preserve white spaces. As many number of spaces you will insert, it does not matter. It will convert all those spaces into a single space. As you can see on the screen, that the hello world, many spaces are there in between, but that will be converted to a single space. That, in a sense, you may say is a feature and not an advantage but a disadvantage of using HTML. Then the other Feature of the HTML is that HTML is a language which is very easy to learn, a language which is very easy to use. There are tags and attributes which are given in HTML. Tags are commands which are given to the web browser to display your text in a particular manner, whereas attributes are the special information that we pass to the tags to enhance and to add to the functionality of the tags. So those we will learn in detail later. But for now, you may learn that HTML is very easy to use. If you will put up some effort, then you can very easily learn HTML, because all the commands or the way of writing that we call as syntax is very easy. All the English like alphabets and words are there which can be used for creating the or writing the code of the HTML. So creating a simple web page is very easy. You have to learn tags, you have to learn attributes, and you can very easily create a HTML web page. So after all these features, let us once again go through what we have learned today, that HTML is a platform independent, or we can say a portable language. Portability or platform independent means that HTML could be used across all the platforms, all the operating systems such as Windows, Linux or Mac OS, or any other operating system. You may be using Android and mobile phones or Windows mobile phones operating system. Across all the platforms, HTML could be used, and this is one of the biggest reasons that HTML has become so popular all over the world. The second is, as we have learned, HTML is not case sensitive, means that we can write HTML code either in uppercase or in lowercase. It does not make any difference. The third is HTML does not preserve the white spaces, means that HTML, if you put multiple spaces between the two words, maybe 10 spaces, 15 spaces, it will convert all those spaces into a single space. So that is what is meant by not preserving the white spaces. Then the other advantage is formatting the web pages. We can format, we can display, we can enhance the look of the web pages by using the HTML, by providing different colors to the text, by inserting images, providing border to the images, increasing, decreasing the font sizes and all, as we had learned. And HTML is also very, very easy to use language. Very simple coding is there, very simple syntax, means the way of writing HTML is there. So with little effort we can very easily learn the HTML. So for today, there are few questions that you would do regarding what we have learned today. These are the two questions that you must note down and must do in your notebooks. The first is, write any 3 features of HTML. So you may write any 3 features of the HTML and briefly explain them. The second is, what is meant by platform independent or portable language. So you have to explain that this feature of HTML, that HTML is platform independent or a portable language, what does it mean? What does it signify? So make a notebook for the computer applications and note down the questions which are being given, and you can also note down what is being taught to you, make notes, and whatever queries you have, you can put those queries below the video when the video would be posted on the YouTube account of the school, and you are very free to ask questions, and whatever your queries, whatever your doubts are, you may write those queries, write those doubts, and by making another video I would like to clarify those doubts. And as for class 10th does not have much of the time. You will get time till only November and December, so you must learn make use of time. You are free at home, you are not coming to the school because of all this lockdown. So try to make use of the time in a positive way. And if you have any doubt, any questions, anything, kindly post in the comment section, and I would try to answer all your queries and clarify your doubts. Thank you, and we will come with other videos also regarding HTML. Thank you.